Hey, don't forget to check out my website, Itsjustflava87.com, so you can get your lip gloss, your lashes, your face serum, and your body butter. Thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Come and eat with flavor, cause it's flavor time. Come and eat with flavor, cause it's flavor time. Come and eat with flavor, cause it's flavor time. Cause it's flavor time. Cause it's flavor time.
That's enough. Cause I got it all on.
What's up, Flava fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here, welcome back. If you've been here, welcome back. So today we are gonna be eating some shrimp Alfredo. Now let's take it so we can eat. Amen. So now guys, we're gonna be doing the Not My Voice challenge. So the challenge is, it's so fun. I just can't wait to do this. This is gonna be fun. But today, guys, we're gonna eat some shrimp Alfredo with some sweet tea. Basically, this challenge is we do video and like so it does the voiceover for you for your channel. It's gonna be so fun, y'all. Just watching y'all see how this is gonna be done. You know, it's gonna be so fun to do this challenge. And my challenge, you know, made by me. You know, what's it gonna be called? Flavaeats voiceover challenge. That's all it's gonna be. Something simple. Alright, y'all got it. Can y'all see that? Y'all can't see that. I don't think y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? They can see that. No, they can't. This ain't bad. I'm a real good cook. It's good, y'all. They were real good. Can y'all see that? Look, you got that shrimp, the broccoli, got bell peppers, the onions, and mushrooms. Look at all that good stuff. You got that good all in one. You can even see the salt and pepper. Alright, y'all. Now, I try to put a snippet of the food inside the video before that y'all can see it. And like that y'all know that what it looked like. And no, I'm really. Oh, y'all. I'm not as bad for this. I'm really happy. You know, I get to do a challenge that I made. It's really fun. You should. And like with this challenge, I just can't. There's like 50% of these YouTubers haven't done this challenge. I have one friend. It's real fun. I'm gonna have fun with this challenge. Like how we talk about food and how much I love it. You know, I grew up around food and stuff and eating food. And I had real fun. Stuff in my mouth of food, you know, is the best part of lunchtime at school. And like, if I could go back in time, I would go back to when school lunch was invented and get them to serve full meals, like full lobster tails and stuff like that. Be like, you know, all that. School should have us pay for snacks. We should be able to get a snack for school. At lunchtime to get through the day. Like, we have lunch early in the morning. Then we have lunch. Like, when we get home, because of how early we have lunch. At school, you know, it's like too early for that. At school, we have lunch at 11:55 in the morning. And we get done 11:20. We only have like 25 minutes. We're supposed to have 30 minutes. I'm not good with numbers. You know, I eat lunch. During my math period. And like, if I don't eat lunch during my math period, I'm going to be hungry throughout the day. You know, we can't have that. You know, we already have lunch, like, really early in the day. It's not fair that we do that. So much fun, y'all. Eating food. So fun. And that's like the best time of the day. Like, we could be playing some kind of math game. Math. Then we'll go to lunch after, like right after. A lot of times I win the games because, like, I'm really smart. Like, I don't think I am. People say I am. Like, I don't really believe them all that much. And no matter what I do, it seems like all I do is bad things. And 0 test could be 20. I'll put 22 by accident. It's not fair how that works. I'm like, no, I don't think that is bad. But like, we ain't gonna worry about that. And it's just like so tired and hungry, y'all. I can rant on all day about how I love food and more about how I love food. So good, how much food I can eat. Let's talk about my metabolism. It's like so high. I can eat a full buffet and still be skinny, you know? And anyway, not funny. Like, make sure. Alright, it's real good. Alright, let's talk about this. Let's talk about my website. Itsjustflava 87. Go check it out right now and like, let's have fun with it. It's gonna be fun because like, you know, realize people don't want my body butter because it's not scented. I want to like make it for men too, where they can have it and it's like men scented. But like, what do men smell like? Why do men like to smell? I don't know how that works. Maybe like lavender or something like that. Don't matter. As long as they wear it at night. If they don't wear it at night, then they gonna be waking up ashy. It's going to be funny. Like, when you do it, it's like real healthy for your skin. Found out it's 100% shea butter and mango butter, I'm pretty sure. And it helps like with all your marks and stuff, like stretch marks, beauty marks, all those things. It just hides marks. That's all I know. Like, okay, like, ooh, guess what? My grades have been going up and up and up. And more up. It went so much better this year than last year. And like, I'm always complaining about my grades and how they're all bad and stuff. But they're actually pretty good. Maybe 76, maybe, or something like that. And it's like the lowest. And like, it's not bad. 76 ain't bad. Ain't bad. Ain't bad, ain't bad, ain't bad, ain't bad. Ooh, excuse me. And like, I don't mean to do that on camera, but like, it's a natural body function. And like, let's... Have you gotten text while you like out and like you turned off like your cellular data? You get home, your ring is on, and like you just hear ding, 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 ding. But like that's all you hear is they need to get from your phone. And, like they're only a few seconds apart too. It's like annoying how they just go ding, 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 ding. And like I just can't stand it. I don't turn my ringer on anymore because of that. Like I try my best to keep it off. Sometimes I can just find it on though, but like let's not worry about that. And like y'all should get AirPods. I have some of those and like so fun not having wires to deal with, even though I don't like hooking them up to my computer and stuff, because like I feel like I'm gonna lose one of them. And like, you know, I like listening to music throughout the day and like having fun with it. I am like a dancer and stuff like that, so at school take dance class. There's this honors dance class, but like you gotta go in the morning for that, and I don't want to do that and all that. And like it's with the chorus too. I got a beautiful singing voice, at least that's what I think. But like in top of school and stuff like that, like sometimes it can be out of hand and not so beautiful. have a singing voice. You know, I can sing, I can dance. I'm a terrible actress. But you know, it's what it is. It is what it is. Talking about my life motto now. Live, love, laugh. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, like, listen. If you live, love, laugh throughout your entire life, you gonna get somewhere in your life. You gonna enjoy your life. And you gonna, like, have fun. Life will be awesome for you. Okay, y'all. Alright, like, and all that. It's like, you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to share because it's free. Don't forget to share because it's free. Alright, y'all. So, see you later in the next video. Bye. Peace. Well, my muscles hurt. Hello. Here.
Oh Lord, let's see what we got now.